what's up? Jason Young, ImprovementWarriorFitness.com. Back again for Metcon number 6. This is the Anvil Metcon. It is 15 minutes long, 5 exercises, 10 reps each. Okay? Go through it as many times as you can. So we have exercise 1 is reverse crunch. Lie on the floor. Bring the legs up, out, up, out. Legs have to fully come out. Okay? You can touch the heels to the floor if you need to. 2, walking burp. Okay? So you're here, walk up, back. Okay? Just quick. Whoops. Quick. As you can. Okay? 2, standing band row. Or 3, standing band row. Step up. Grab both handles. Stand all the way up. Push butt back, hips back, knees bent. Pull the ribs. Pull with the elbows. Squeeze shoulder blades at the top. 1 foot out if you need to. 4, overhead band press. Step on 1. Clean it up. Elbows shoulder width or hands shoulder width. Press up overhead. Squeeze the butt. As you press, try and keep the ribs down and press. Okay. Then 5. Warrior knees, 10 on each side. Going across the body as high, hard, and fast as you can. You can go 10 one side or alternate sides. Okay. And that is the Anvil. Top performer of all time, 12.8 total rounds. Can you beat it?